Alright guys, welcome back to Boost Fitness Part 2. Today, me and Vincent will be going up Genting. We're gonna get a quick run out of it. Oh, you can see today's kind of sunny. Well, be careful guys, Genting is not a safe road. It's for mostly crazy drivers like us. You know, we like to go up there, we like to get a good run.
Hi doggy. Hi doggy. Hey Albert. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. Albert.
Have you ever played rock?
We took some photos, car photos, picture with this goofy ass guy on his car right before the incident happens.
Alright guys, welcome to Driving 101, where I teach you how to drive like a pro. Alright, you see this turn? Press the whole foot on the gas, and you just turn that steering wheel, okay? You don't give a fuck, okay? You are the G, okay? Pass that motor, slow as fuck. You press more on the gas, more. Man, I want more speed. Alright, you see there's another turn here. Just swing your entire fucking steering wheel to the right, okay? No one gives a shit, okay? Alright, you see light tap on the gas over here. It's pretty sunny, no one cares. More gas. I want faster. Oops. Oh shit. Oh, oopsie, I guess. Oops.
Yo, I think we gotta get out.
I don't want to think about it.
You both been cremated, I know. Oh shit. Tarzan, oh!
Eight.
Hey, if you do this, it looks like great, huh?
I know, right?
What's that?
Oh, bro, can't be 30. Gotta get that checked out, man. There's some scratches, bro.
Yeah, little scratches.
There's just scratches. Gotta get that checked out, man.
You need to get that checked out.
Get it checked out, man.
Checked out.
Yeah. Okay. This guy. Hello, sir. What's your thoughts about crashing your car? Oh my god!
It is what it is.
Oh, damn, bro. Thank you.
Boost Fitness Part 2. Alright guys, we just crashed our car. We are at Genting. Let's go have some fun, man. Let's go. What are you following me for?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, what a save! Ah!
Barbecue bacon burger.
Jiggy!